Hello and welcome to Come Learn Forex. In this video, we will be having a look at timeframes. Please read the following disclaimer carefully by pausing the video before moving on. So we will look at what timeframes are, why do they matter, and choosing the best timeframes to take on. Timeframes are a very important part of analyzing any pair from a technical standpoint, as they allow us to choose how deep we look into the market. They are the period visually portrayed by each time-related graphical element. When we look at a candlestick chart, each one represents time equal to the specific time frame. For example, if we look at a daily chart, each candlestick would accommodate for one full day worth of price movement. This means that 5 candlesticks would equal to a week's worth of movement. However, if we were to look at the weekly chart, this would all be put together in one candlestick. So why do timeframes matter? Timeframes make a big difference to one's trading. If a trader was to look at the short-term chart, let's say the 15-minute time frame, if zoomed out to the maximum, a standard size screen would typically accommodate about a month and a half worth of data, or about 3,000 candlesticks. However, if a trader was to look at the daily time frame, these 3,000 candlesticks would translate to just about 11 years. This will allow us to look into the correct data, as information dating years back might be totally irrelevant when it comes to making informed decisions in present times. Choosing the best time frame to trade on. Timeframes help us in determining how deep we look into the market. This is also how we would choose the best ones to trade on. There are different types of traders in the market. There are scalpers as well as day traders. There are swing traders and position traders out there. And depending on what type of trader you are, you will have a different preference for the time frame you use to trade on. So let's look at it in more detail. Scalpers tend to trade on the smallest chart interval possible, the seconds chart, or most often the 1-minute time frame, although this may slightly vary. Day traders tend to trade on a bit of a higher interval, usually the 15 minutes, although some do 5, 30, or even up to 1 or 4 hours. Swing traders usually use the 1 hour and 4 hour timeframes to formulate their decision making. Position traders do not tend to look on a lower than the daily timeframe, with their eyes usually at weekly or monthly charts. If you have enjoyed this Forex related content, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Also, comment below on what you would like to see next.